If you've ever opened the Word document and found that you can't type, can't edit, or certain sections are locked, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove editing restrictions in Word quickly and safely so you can regain full control of your document. This is especially useful if you received a file from someone else, if a template is locked, or if you just need to make a few final changes without fighting with the settings. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tips. Let's jump right in. First, open the restricted Word document that you want to edit. Once it's open, look at the top ribbon and click the Review tab. The Review tab is where Word keeps many of its document protection and collaboration tools, so this is the first place you want to check when editing is blocked. After that, go to the Protect group and click Restrict Editing. When you do that, Word will open a task pane on the right side of the screen. This pane shows the protection settings that are currently limiting what you can do in the document. Now, scroll to the bottom of that task pane and look for the Stop Protection button. This is the option that turns off the editing restrictions, but there is one important thing to keep in mind. If the document was password protected, Word will ask you to enter the password before it allows you to remove the restrictions. If that happens, type in the correct password and then click OK. Once the password is accepted, the protection will be removed and you should be able to edit the document normally again. At that point, try clicking in the document and making a quick change to confirm that the restriction is gone. If the text is editable now, you've successfully removed the editing restrictions in Word. If you still can't edit, double check that you opened the correct file and that the protection settings were fully turned off. Sometimes, documents can also be in read-only mode or protected by another file setting, so it's worth confirming that you're working in the right place. And that's it. That's how you remove editing restrictions in Word in just a few simple steps. If this video saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.